So on Monday morning, I was driving to go to work, and in the middle of this one-lane bridge near my house is where my car broke down. I lost power, so I cannot drive faster. So I don't know if I created this traffic, but there's already traffic there. But luckily, I still have enough power to go down the bridge and put my car in the service road. So I'm here right now, stuck in the middle of the road on the service road because my car just broke down. I lost power on my Nissan Versa. So now I'm waiting for the tow truck. So I don't know what's wrong. I got my check engine light on and my traction control on. So yeah, so I'm waiting here, waiting for the tow truck on the side of the road. I was supposed to go to work, but my car just lost power in the middle of the bridge there. Luckily, I still have enough power to drive it here on the exit, and that's it. After that, the car feels like it's gonna die every time I step on the gas. So now it's running, but I cannot move forward. There's no power on the car. So just waiting for the tow truck. Hopefully that it's gonna come anytime soon. I already called them because I have CAA. So we'll see what time they're gonna show up. So I'm already late for work now. I have to bring this car to the garage to get it fixed because I don't know what's wrong with it. So I just lose power. The car feels like it's gonna die. And when I step on the gas, it's going to only 2000 RPM. So I don't know. It's weird. So I'm gonna go bring it to my local garage in near my house, so they can diagnose what's wrong with it. Maybe if I have the time, I'll bring it to the house for me to fix it. But you know what? I don't have time right now, so I'm just gonna let them do it. So at the same time, I'm gonna use the BMW to go to work. So we'll see. I don't know what time they're gonna come. I'm waiting again. I'm gonna keep you updated as soon as the tow truck comes in. So the tow truck finally came, and now they're towing my car. So now we're gonna go to the garage and get this car fixed. So I waited about an hour for the CAA or the tow truck to come and pick up my car, and so now we're ready to go to the garage and bring this car. Yeah, so this is the guy that towed my car, and now we're gonna go to the garage.
Yeah, man. One love, you don't know. One love.
This guy is the best. What's your name, sir?
Don.
Don?
Don King.
Yeah, Don King. All right. So this guy helped me out. Now we're gonna bring the car to the garage, and
Yeah,
we're gonna get this Nissan fixed.
Definitely, definitely.
So luckily Don picked me up, and now I don't need to wait long for the tow truck. So he's a good guy.
Yeah, man. We're always out here, you know.
All right.
For the people outside.
So now it takes about 10-minute drive. So before we reach the garage, so I'm gonna keep you updated. So I'm now in the garage, and the gentleman is dropping on my car so I can give it to the mechanic so they can start checking it out.
Mess up yourself, yeah?
Thanks, bro.
One love.
So go
one
check
love.
out yourself on YouTube, alright?
Alright, definitely one love. We
Thank you,
outside.
man.
Alright, thank
Bye. So my mechanic called me after 3 days, and he told me the problem with my car is the electronic throttle body. So just the part alone, it costs about $1,400 Canadian, plus the labor to install and the diagnostics. It's gonna cost me almost $2,000 in repair bills. And I told him that I'm gonna sell the car anyway, so I don't wanna, fix this part. Maybe just put some parts from the scrapyard. And he said he wants to buy my car instead, so he gave me a good offer I cannot refuse. So I've decided to sell the car to him. So now the Nissan Versa Note is sold. So there she is, guys. That's the last time we're gonna see her because now she's sold. So guys, the car, I'm not gonna get it fixed because it's too expensive to fix. Plus my mechanic, he wants to buy it from me. So I've decided to sell the Nissan. So now we have no more Versa Note on the channel. So that's it. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time.